Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever felt like dating younger women is an impossible task? Today, we're going to identify the common mistakes older men make when dating younger women and how to correct them. Be sure to stay tuned until the end to hear our bonus tip. It's a crucial piece of advice for turning your age into an advantage when dating younger women. Don't miss it. Before we start, anyone looking to revamp their dating approach? Click the link below for a free 60-minute strategy call with one of our coaches. Ready to transform your dating game and avoid these pitfalls? Let's jump in and explore these key points together. 1. Putting younger women on a pedestal. The big mistake many older men make when dating younger women, putting them on a pedestal. It's easy to get caught up in seeing younger women as the ultimate prize, especially when you're feeling a bit self-conscious about the age difference. But here's the thing. When you view someone as above you, it throws the whole relationship out of whack. You end up constantly trying to impress her, and that's not just exhausting, it's not attractive either. So how do you fix this? It all starts with maintaining your self-worth and confidence. Remember, you've got a lot going for you: experience, stability, and a maturity that younger men often lack. To shift your mindset, focus on your strengths and stop comparing yourself to younger guys or even to the younger woman you're interested in. Comparison is a confidence killer. Instead, approach the relationship as a partnership of equals where both of you bring something valuable to the table. Practice some self-compassion too. Everyone has insecurities, but how you handle them makes all the difference. Be kind to yourself and treat yourself with the same compassion you'd offer a friend. Also, engage in activities that boost your confidence, whether it's hitting the gym, pursuing a hobby, or spending time with supportive friends. By doing these things, you'll start to see your own value, which naturally creates a more balanced and fulfilling dynamic in your relationships. 2. Making age a big deal. Constantly bringing up your age can pinpoint insecurities and make the interaction awkward. Instead of bonding over shared interests, the focus shifts to the age gap, which can be a major turnoff. Projecting insecurity about your age emphasizes doubts and fears, making you seem less confident. Embrace your age and experience with confidence instead. Your years come with a wealth of knowledge, stories, and life lessons that are incredibly attractive. Confidence is key. When you're comfortable with your age, it shows and makes you more appealing. Avoid self-deprecating jokes about your age. Instead of saying things like, "I'm too old for this," keep the conversation positive and engaging. If your age comes up, mention it casually and confidently, emphasizing the experiences that make you unique. For example, respond with, "I'm 50, and I've had some amazing adventures along the way." This approach shifts the focus to your strengths and the value you bring to the relationship. 3. Sticking to platonic roles. Let's tackle a big mistake: getting stuck in the dreaded friend or mentor zone. You meet a fantastic younger woman, and before you know it, you're giving career advice and becoming her go-to buddy. It's comfortable, sure, but if you want romance, you need to show your intentions early. The longer you stay in platonic territory, the tougher it is to transition to something more romantic. How do you make the leap? Start with playful teasing and genuine compliments. Instead of, "You're really good at this," try, "You have the most captivating smile." Add a bit of light. Appropriate physical touch and a gentle touch on her arm during conversation can signal your interest. And don't be afraid to express your intentions directly. Saying, "I really enjoy spending time with you and would love to take you out on a proper date," makes your romantic interest crystal clear. 4. Trying to buy affection. Here's a classic misstep: trying to buy affection with money and gifts. Lavish dinners and expensive presents might catch her eye initially, but they set a dangerous precedent. She might start seeing you as a walking wallet rather than a genuine partner, which can turn the relationship into a business deal rather than a romance. Rather, concentrate on developing a mental and emotional bond. Engage in in-depth discussions, impart your experiences, and pay close attention to hers. Arrange activities that will allow you to get to know each other better, such as sharing a meal, going on a hike, or discovering shared interests. Setting these ties first builds a basis for a relationship built on real affection and respect, rather than just material belongings. You may create an intricate and meaningful relationship that transcends simple friendships and financial possessions by avoiding these mistakes and being upfront about your genuine intentions from the start. Appreciating the insights in today's video? Imagine how much more you could achieve with personalized guidance from a dedicated dating coach. Our free 60-minute strategy call is a game changer for anyone serious about improving their dating skills. Click the link in the pinned comment to book your session and start dating with renewed confidence and success. 5. Failing to pass tests. Younger women often test older men to gauge their confidence and stability. These tests might come in the form of playful teasing about your age or lighthearted challenges to see how you handle pressure. The goal is to see if you can stay cool and composed. Recognizing these tests is crucial. When she makes a teasing remark or pushes your buttons, don't panic or get defensive. Instead, respond with humor and confidence. For example, if she jokes about your age, laugh it off with a witty comeback like, "Age is just a number, and I've got plenty of experience to share." Staying composed shows you're comfortable in your skin and can handle playful banter. The key is to remain confident and unflappable. Don't let these tests rattle you. By maintaining your poise, you demonstrate the maturity and confidence that's truly attractive. 6. Nice guy behavior. Older men often fall into the trap of being overly nice and accommodating, thinking it will win over a younger woman. While kindness is important, overdoing it can make you appear desperate or lacking assertiveness. This nice guy behavior can actually diminish your attractiveness. Constantly agreeing with everything she says, bending over backward to please her, and avoiding any form of disagreement are common pitfalls. This approach can lead to a lack of respect and make you seem insincere. To strike the right balance, be kind and considerate, but also assertive and confident. Don't be afraid to express your own opinions and stand your ground when necessary. Show that you have your own interests and boundaries. This blend of kindness and assertiveness is far more appealing than simply trying to be the perfect gentleman. 7. Overloading with compliments. Let's look into a common dating pitfall: overloading younger women with compliments. It might seem like showering her with praise is a great way to win her over, but too many compliments can actually backfire, making you come off as insincere or even desperate. Think about it. If you're constantly telling her how amazing she is, it starts to feel like you're trying too hard, and nobody wants that. The key to nailing compliments is quality over quantity. Genuine, well-timed compliments are your secret weapon. Instead of the usual, "You're beautiful," why not go for something like, "Your dedication to your work is really inspiring." This shows you're paying attention to who she is beyond just her looks, and that you value her for more than just her appearance. Here's a cool bonus tip. Turn your age into an advantage when dating younger women by seeing it as a unique strength. Older men bring a wealth of qualities and experiences, having had more time to develop emotional intelligence, gain wisdom, and learn from life's ups and downs. These experiences make you grounded, stable, and self-assured traits many younger women find attractive. Your maturity can provide a sense of security and stability that younger men might lack. Accept your age with elegance. Tell stories from your life that showcase your experiences, successes, and teachings. This enhances your appeal and demonstrates your pride in your experience. Be an excellent mentor and listener by providing insightful commentary and helpful guidance in a caring manner. Take a sincere interest in her aspirations in life and turn into a wise and motivating mentor. Pay attention to the mental and emotional ties. Take part in important, in-depth discussions that cover more ground than the obvious. Make use of your maturity to resolve disputes amicably and wisely. By staying in shape, engaging in hobbies, and never stopping learning new things, you can lead a lively and active lifestyle. This maintains your physical attractiveness while also demonstrating your youthful spirit and zest for life. Your maturity and life experience can work to your advantage in attracting and sustaining a happy, healthy relationship with a younger lady. So now you know the things older men also do that are mistakes. What's next for you? Discover how to flirt with younger women, or learn how younger women signal older men to make a move. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.